Okay, now let's dive down a little bit into the science behind the ad, okay? So this is Max with A1 Website Pro. This is kind of the second half of how to create a Google AdWords account. So I had you up and running within a few minutes on the last video. Now this video we're going to start diving a little bit further into an ad. Now this is an ad, it's not very good. So I want to edit this ad, but what do I put in, how do I put in, and what do I do here? So I want to go to our ads here, and I want to click edit. I understand that it's going to take some time. So anyway, what I'm trying to get sold or whatever, or to promote, is a web development app that will calculate, estimate, website costs and expenses and so on and so forth. So if I go into the search engine myself right now, I'll type in web development app, just like that, and I could see that this is my competition over here. I notice he put web development app tool, complete web development suite, build, launch, So I'm trying to look for something that catches my eye. I like the fact that this guy puts his phone number in there. That's a pretty cool thing to do because we can target locally. So this 724 number, that's not too far from here. So I'm kind of looking down through here, looking to see what other people got. So whenever I go back to my campaign management, I want to see what I could do better, or improve upon my competitors. So I'm going to go ahead and brainstorm here for a little bit, and I'm going to take my time. I'm going to really think about what I need to put in here as far as the title, subtitle, text, and so on and so forth. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm working on my final ad here, and I said see this before you start. Descriptions, advanced websites, portals, and apps. We are not middlemen, we program. A1websitepro.com, and then of course I'm taking people directly to the page that I want them to go to. Okay, I can select my device preference if I wanted to, but I'm going to go ahead and click save here, and you'll see now I have 4 different ads within this ad group number 1, that's within this campaign, A1 app. Okay, so and all the keywords for these different ads are right here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go down through these and see if I can narrow down some of this. So app developers really doesn't apply because I'm trying to show people the app that I made so that they could calculate their website cost. And it kind of looks like this. Maybe they want to see what their website is worth, or schedule maintenance, or get a free estimate on something. So if they come down here and they log in, I'll go ahead and log in right here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to come back here to the app, free estimate. And maybe they want an evaluation of their current website, or set up shared hosting. Maybe they want a WordPress theme created and installed, or just maybe one installed. So they can pick as many things as they want. Okay, so they have all this stuff that they can choose and then view their free quote. So that's kind of like what I'm promoting here within this ad. And so it's not really about an app developer, even though we do that. This particular thing is an app, but it's for calculating website costs and expenses. So I'm going to go down through these list of keywords, and I'm going to get rid of all the ones that I don't feel like are necessary, and then I'll be back. Okay, so what I ended up doing is just canning all those keyword phrases that they had for me back there. And I went into the Google Keyword Planner, which is under Tools here, and I just selected a bunch of the keyword phrases that I want to bid on. Right now you can see I have 17 in there. And what I want to do is add them to my campaign. So I could click Review Estimates here, and I could see how much I'm going to have involved in here. And what I want to do is I want to integrate this in with one of my campaigns. So this is what I'm going to do. I go up here and I click Save to Account. Okay, now I could have a new group, but I want to do it, add it to an existing group, and of course it's the A1 A1 app campaign, and I could add it to this group if I wanted to, the ad group 1, and that's what I'm going to do, because you'll remember I have 4 different ads in there. And then I'm just going to click Save and Continue, and it'll save it to my account. So it'll say here, my plan was saved to your account, and then I can view my new keywords. So I'll click on View My New Keywords for my online campaign. And so right now here's A1 app, my campaign, and then here's my ad group, which is highlighted, and we're looking at keywords now, the keywords that I picked. Okay, so I'm going to go in here and enter some billing information so we could get this campaign rocking and rolling, and you know, I'll keep you guys posted from here. But that's how you do a more of an effective you know, ad strategy. You want to get keywords. You know, you can make them broad right now to try to zone in on what's going to benefit you, what's not going to benefit you. And remember, don't forget to install Google Analytics tracking. Look at one of my another one of my videos, or go to my website, A1 Pro, and type in Google Analytics. It'll show you how to install an analytics code, and that's going to be very important so you can monitor the progress of your ads here in Google AdWords. And if you ever need to go back to edit your ads, just click on Ads, and there's a little pencil thing right here that you can mark up. Now, see, my ads right now, all of them are going to be served equally over the network, and I'm going to see which one performs the best. And if I got one in here that's not performing very well, then I'm just going to delete it, maybe add another one, and continue to experiment. Remember, advertising marketing is all about experimenting over and over again. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my billing information and a coupon code, and get this campaign rocking and rolling, and maybe I'll make a video in the future more about Google AdWords. So it's not too difficult, just you practice the things that I showed you here. The other thing that I want you to keep in mind is, if you ever wanted to make another campaign, it's pretty easy to do. All you have to do, just highlight on this folder up here, and go to All Online Campaigns, go to Campaign here, create a new campaign, and then this is where you'll select Search with Display Select, or Shopping or whatnot. Let's go ahead and go Search with Display Select, and put New Campaign, just like that. And you go down here and do your settings, you know, just like we did before on the previous video, and set your budget per day, default bid, maybe 61 cents, maybe make sure you put a point there, 0.61, or you can have AdWords will set your bids for you, you know, and then you can set your budget, and then you could extend your ads with local information, if you wanted to. Extend ads with links to sections of my site, so if you have different site links from A1 Website Pro, you could put them in there. Or you can put a phone number in there. Like if we wanted to put a phone number in with our ad, we could do that as well. And just click Save and Continue. Okay? And you'll see here, over here, we have the new campaign. And then once again, we'd have to go in here, start making our new ad groups, just like we did with this one up here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. There's not much to it. I want to get into you know, the shopping aspect, to get indexed in Google Shopping eventually. So that'll be another tutorial down the road, unless I get pressed for, okay, Max, please make that tutorial for me now. Then maybe I'll make it a little bit sooner. So it's up to you, folks. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed these tutorials. This is Max, out.